Hey, nice to see you again on my content. Before we begin, let's check the paper first. There is still A4 paper here, and there are also many F4 papers available. Come on, now we take a piece of paper. We will reduce the size of the text on this paper. Next, let's put the A4 size paper in the marked place on the copier. On the left, there are instructions on how to place A4 size paper. Well, if we want to check the size of the writing on the paper, this way, click the ratio button first. Continue to press the less button on the monitor screen to reduce the volume. If you want to reduce the size of the text, you can also press the button near the monitor screen. Then we press the OK button. I use this density feature to set the color darkness of the text that I copy. We just press the OK button, so we can copy the file that we put in the copier earlier. This is the result after shrinking the text using the Canon IR6575 machine. The copied result is clear and bright with no blurriness at all. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you all found this content helpful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, guys.